It's world-changing research, and it's right here in San Antonio. As part of the worldwide effort to create a vaccine for COVID-19, Endeavor Clinical Trials is recruiting potential patients to participate in an important research study right here in the Alamo City. And joining us to tell us more is Dr. Schwartz, an endocrinologist. Good afternoon.
How are you doing?
How did your research clinic become part of this COVID-19 study?
Well, it's been a long and a short story. I've been in San Antonio practicing endocrinology, which is primarily diabetes among Hispanics, for almost 40 years. And the statistics are grim. I mean, I've spent my whole career, I retired from clinic around almost 4 years ago, and I've been working with the Evolution Research Group for 2 years doing diabetes and NASH, which is a form of liver disease related to diabetes. But then when this terrible COVID thing came out, I realized that all the patients that I used to work on, the Hispanics who are obese, elderly, they were getting clobbered in the hospital. And I said, you know, this is going to have to be something that I have to really have our company work on and bring this vaccine trial to San Antonio to help the type of patients I worked on my whole career.
So what can you tell us about the study itself?
Well, we're looking for people, anyone over the age of 18, and there's no age limit, no weight limit. As long as your disease has been stable for any heart, lung disease, even cancer for 5 years, but underlying diseases for maybe 2 months, even diabetes, those are the people we want, and no weight limit. We really would prefer people who have a disease, who are stable, who are overweight, would take anyone, but we like Hispanics, African Americans, Anglos. These are people who have been grossly affected by this disease. So really anybody who has this, and what we're encouraging people to do is bring your family along, because it's a sad disease where basically you've got a younger person affected and he or she brings it home and makes their parents or grandparents sick. So for this vaccine trial, we would like you to bring your parents and grandparents along, aunts and uncles, even cousins. There's no limit. We're planning on doing hopefully 1,000 patients in San Antonio. We want to be the #1 recruiting site for this type of study in the United States and help a lot of our people.
Dr. Schwartz, tell us how folks can get in touch with you if they're interested in participating.
Well, we have a phone number listed, which people are kind enough. There'll be recruiters on the phone to get things lined up. The study's not going to start till the end of the month or beginning of next month, but it's going to be first come, first serve. And God willing, we're going to try to take in as many people as possible. And again, we're not living it. Bear County, obviously, where I've lived and love being here, but all of South Texas, even down Cameron County, Hidalgo County, have been clobbered even worse than Bear County. Even you come from Austin, anywhere really in Texas, we're welcome to come. The more the merrier, and you're being paid for your time and effort, and it'll cost you nothing. It's free.
All right. So if you want to see if you qualify to participate in this COVID-19 research study, all you have to do is call 210-791-0911. And for more information, visit the Endeavor Clinical Trials website at endeavorct.com. Dr. Schwartz, thank you so much for your time, and stay safe.